Run AI on your own computer, free, private, and completely offline. This is LM Studio. In this guide, you'll install it, download a model, and chat with it. Let's get started.
LM Studio is a free desktop app that runs AI models right on your machine. No cloud, no subscription, no coding. It works like ChatGPT, but everything stays on your computer. Totally private and totally offline.
Before we begin, check your system. You need 16 gigabytes of RAM and about 10 gigabytes of free disk space. Windows 10 or 11 works, and any Apple Silicon Mac. And the best part? No Python and no Node.js required. LM Studio is a standalone app.
Head to lmstudio.ai in your browser. It's a free download. Click Download and pick your system. On Windows, grab the setup file, about 570 megabytes. Then run the installer. Smart Screen may ask for permission. Just click More Info, then run anyway.
The setup wizard opens. Click I agree to accept the license. Choose Install for current user only, then keep the default location. Click Install and watch the progress bar. When it says Successfully installed, leave Launch checked and click Finish. LM Studio is ready to open.
On a Mac, open the DMG file and drag LM Studio into your Applications folder. When you launch it, macOS may ask, "Are you sure you want to open an app from the internet?" Click Open.
On older macOS, if you see Cannot Be Verified, go to Privacy and Security and click Open anyway. The first time you open LM Studio, you'll see a welcome screen. Click Get Started. It offers a sign-in with GitHub or email. Skip it. You don't need an account. And there's your app. The Discover tab is where we get a model.
Go to the Discover tab. In the search bar, type Qwen3. Click the Qwen3 8 billion instruct model. Now choose a file. This is called quantization. Pick Q4_K_M. It's recommended and about 5 gigabytes. Click Download and watch it go.
When it's done, click Use in New Chat.
In the OneChat tab, open the model loader. This is where the magic happens. Max out the GPU offload slider so your graphics card does the work. Keep the context length reasonable. LM Studio shows the memory estimate. Click Load Model, then type your first message. Hello, what are you?
And watch it answer instantly.
If something goes wrong, here's the fix. Can't load the model. It's too big for your memory. Use a smaller model or a lower quantization. And if it's very slow, the GPU offload is off. Max out the slider or check your hardware settings. A quick fix for both. Start with Q4KM.
And that's it. Check your specs. Install LM Studio, download a Q4KM model, load it, and chat. You just ran AI on your own computer. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy local AI.